remember we have that family gathering at Aunt Linda's this weekend. It's going to be lovely. Everyone's excited to see you.
Ah, this weekend? Actually, I was thinking of doing something else. Maybe catching up on some reading.
Reading? Since when do you choose books over going out? Jake, is there something you're not telling me?
No, it's just... Well, I also promised Mike we'd work on our project together this weekend. It's for a big part of our grade.
You and Mike can work on your project any day. Family gatherings don't happen all the time. Also, your cousins miss you.
And, I was also planning to help Gracie with her computer this weekend. She's been having some issues, and I promised to look at it.
Helping Gracie with her computer? It sounds like you're just trying to avoid the gathering. What's really going on? You've never been this reluctant to attend a family event before.
Well, it's just... I also need some time for myself, you know? To relax and maybe do some gaming. It's been a stressful week.
Jake, taking time for yourself is important. But so is family time. We don't get many chances to all be together like this. Your cousins, uncles, and aunts are all looking forward to spending time with you. Let's try to balance things, okay?
Well... Okay. I understand. I'll go to the gathering. Maybe it won't be as bad as I think.
That's my boy. It'll be good, you'll see. And who knows, maybe you'll even enjoy catching up with everyone.
Well, my David just got promoted again. He's now the senior manager. We're all so proud of him.
That's great. And our Debbie just got accepted into that prestigious law school. Top of her class.
Oh, Jake has been doing wonderfully too. He's been working hard on his school projects and helping out his friends.
That's nice. But didn't Jake decide to take a gap year? I heard it's because he couldn't decide on a major.
Actually, I wanted to explore different interests before making a decision. It's more about understanding what I really want to do.
So, what are your plans after your gap year? Do you have any big achievements coming up?
I'm still exploring different options. There are a lot of fields that interest me. So I want to make sure I choose the right one.
Well, it's good to explore, but don't take too long. The clock is ticking, and you don't want to fall behind.
Yeah, Jake, you don't want to end up like me. Switching majors 3 times before figuring it out.
Jake's taking his time to make a thoughtful decision. There's no rush. Everyone's path is different.
Thanks, Mom. I just want to make sure I'm passionate about what I choose.
Passion is important, but so is stability and a good income. You need to think practically too.
Jake does seem more withdrawn than usual. Maybe there's more to his reluctance to attend these gatherings than just being busy.
Let's all remember we're here to enjoy each other's company. Jake, your grandma and I love hearing about whatever you're passionate about.
Thanks, Grandpa. It means a lot to me.
Speaking of decisions, have you heard about Ellen's son? He just bought a new house in the city. Quite the investment at his age.
Really? Awesome.
I noticed you seemed really uncomfortable at the family gathering today. Do you want to talk about it?
Yeah, it's just. Every time we have these gatherings, it feels like everyone is just trying to outdo each other. It makes me feel so stressed.
I had a feeling that might be it. I'm sorry, Jake. I didn't realize how much it was affecting you.
Thanks, Mom. It's just really hard to hear about everyone's achievements and not feel like I'm falling behind.
I understand. I want you to know that it's okay to feel that way. You don't have to go to these gatherings if they make you uncomfortable.
Really? You mean I don't have to go anymore?
Yes. I want you to be happy and comfortable. If you don't want to go to the family gatherings, you don't have to. But please, do make some time to visit your grandparents. They love seeing you.
Thanks. I promise I'll visit Grandpa and Grandma more often. It means a lot that you understand.
I love you. We're all proud of you for who you are, not for what you've achieved.
You're the best, Mom. Thanks for getting it.
Look at this place. This hotel is amazing.
Yeah, we picked a great one. This lobby looks like a palace.
But do we really have to check in? I'm a bit nervous. It's my first time.
Haha, don't worry, you're the brave one, Alex. How about you go first, and I'll back you up.
Jamie, you coward. Okay, let's do it together. It'll be faster.
All right, we'll go together for moral support.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our hotel. How can I assist you today?
Hi. We have a reservation. But this is our first time checking in. We're not quite sure what to do.
Yeah, we're a bit unfamiliar with the process.
No problem at all. I'll guide you through the process. May I have your names, please?
Sure, I'm Jamie Brown, and this is Alex Smith. Our booking is under my name.
Let me check. Ah, here it is. You have a double room for 3 nights. May I see your passports and a credit card for the booking?
Here you go.
Great, everything is in order. Now, I'll just need you to fill out this registration form.
This isn't so hard, after all. Thanks for being so helpful.
Of course. That's what we're here for. Once you're done, I'll give you your room keys and some information about the hotel amenities.
Done.
Excellent. Here are your room keys. Your room is on the 3rd floor. The elevators are to your left. Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 a.m. in the dining area. If you're interested in activities, we have different programs every day, like yoga classes, cooking lessons, and city tours. You can also use our gym and swimming pool.
Wow, those activities sound fun. We definitely have to join some.
What do the cooking lessons involve?
Our cooking lessons teach you how to make some local dishes. It's a great way to learn about the local culture. And you get to enjoy the food you make afterward.
That sounds awesome. We'll definitely join.
Yeah, our schedule is packed now.
Also, if you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact the front desk. We're here 24/7 for your convenience.
Thank you so much. We really appreciate your help.
Yeah, this was a lot easier than we thought. Thanks again.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay. I hope you have a wonderful time here.
We did it. First hotel check-in, done. This is going to be an amazing trip.
See, that wasn't so hard, was it?
Yeah, we're pros now.
I've been meaning to ask. I was thinking maybe we could grab coffee or something this weekend. You know, if you're not too busy.
Coffee? Just the two of us?
Yeah, I mean, you're always busy with your friends. So I figured you might not have much going on this weekend. You know, for a change.
Wait, what? Are you saying I don't have a life outside my friends?
No, that's not what I meant. I mean, you always seem super busy. So I didn't think you'd be free.
So, because I'm busy, you just assumed I'd drop everything for you this weekend?
No, Serena, that's not it. I'm sorry, I said that wrong. I just thought it would be nice to spend time with you. Just the two of us. But I didn't mean to make it sound like you have nothing better to do.
Well, that's exactly how it came across.
Look, I really messed that up. Can we start over? What I meant to say is, I'd love to take you out for coffee this weekend, if you'd like. But no pressure. If you already have plans, I totally get it.
I don't know. That's a lot better, but you still kinda messed up.
I know. I'm really sorry. I didn't mean to come off like a jerk. I guess I get nervous around you sometimes.
Nervous, huh? Why would you be nervous around me?
Well, because I think you're pretty amazing. And I didn't want to mess things up, which I kind of did.
Okay. You've made up for it. I'll give you another chance. Coffee sounds nice. Saturday at 3 p.m.?
Yes. 3 p.m. is perfect. I'll be there. Thanks for giving me another chance.
Don't mess it up again, okay? I'll see you Saturday.
I promise, I won't.
Hi, I'm Emma. And I'm here to help you improve your English conversation skills. If you want to practice more English dialogues, remember to subscribe to my channel.